before I come to you on that question, Rajesh, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Quickly shifting focus to that, a big update in the Twisha Sharma dowry death case. Giribala Singh has been placed under arrest by the CBI. So CBI has officially now placed Giribala Singh under arrest. Twisha's mother-in-law Giribala Singh, who initially in the first phase of the investigation itself managed to get the anticipatory bail, has now been placed under arrest after the Madhya Pradesh High Court quashed her anticipatory bail. Let's go across to Bhavtosh. He is getting us more details, a big development. This is what Twisha's family actually had been asking for and waiting for. Giribala Singh has been arrested.
Yes, Swati, we can confirm to our viewers that Giribala, the mother-in-law of Twisha, has been formally arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation after a long marathon round of questioning. This questioning went for over 8 hours, and Central Bureau of Investigation special crime team that had taken over this case has formally arrested her. Now, what had happened is that the High Court at Jabalpur had rejected her anticipatory bail and had said that anti-mortem injuries on her body, 7 anti-mortem injuries, show that she was in fact, there were injuries on her body before she died by suicide. There is one postmortem report that was submitted to Madhya Pradesh police. The second postmortem report is still awaited, but big development in Twisha murder case. Giribala Singh has been arrested. She will be produced before the court and her custody remand will be taken. Her son, Samad Singh, husband of Twisha, is already in custody of the CBI.
All right.
What CBI has said, prima facie, there is evidence.
I'm interrupting you. Priyank is also joining us on the broadcast. Let's go across to him. That's where all the action is. Now, Priyank, this is what you were telling me just a few minutes back. Now, Giribala Singh arrested. It's official.
Swati, that's right. Times now waited for the official confirmation from the CBI officials, although we were the first one which has been telling to our viewers that the arrest was imminent, looking at the kind of stand the Central Bureau of Investigation took in the hearing which is happening at the Jabalpur High Court. After 6.5 hours of questioning, Giribala Singh, the former judge or the judicial officer from Madhya Pradesh, has been formally arrested in the case of dowry death of her daughter-in-law Twisha Sharma. That's a big breaking input which we are getting, that the CBI has formally gone ahead and arrest of Giribala Singh, knowing the fact that 2 of the key eyewitnesses were also brought here who were confronted with Giribala. The CBI wanted the paperwork to be very much complete before they can officially declare the arrest of Giribala Singh, because they are talking about the judicial officer who is very much aware about the legal process that she will be taking. But during the course of argument, the defense counsel, I beg your pardon, the prosecution side had also presented this particular point. There is some movement which is happening. The vehicle of the CBI is still inside. And, my video journalist Mrityunjay will show you that the local police is assisting the CBI official, which has managed to take this particular vehicle, the SUV inside, which will be used by the CBI to bring out Giribala from this particular location. Coming back to the point, the CBI had also clearly stated before the court that Giribala Singh is someone who is privy to the criminal process of law. She is the one who is also aware about the cyber investigation and other circumstances which could have been tampered by her. And the kind of evidence which we had also managed to get, she had also sent 3 individuals to the beauty parlor to bring out all those footages in the name of police investigation, although they were not authorized, because Giribala was the key suspect, named accused in this particular affair. The kind of conduct she has shown, that the mourning family was not mourning. Giribala and Samad, they were not in a state of shock. They were trying to gather all those pieces of evidence which can be fruitful for them. They got all these court documents, they got the medical document, travel document, the financial document before the court, so that Giribala can get anticipatory bail, which was quashed yesterday.
Absolutely. Remember, Priyank, Twisha's family said that these are influential people, that she's a former judge, her son, Twisha's husband, a lawyer. They understand the judicial process very well. Their allegation was that they are trying to manipulate the system, that the local police was not cooperating with them. We have Twisha's father, Navnidhi Sharma, joining us on the broadcast. Navnidhi Sharma जी, खबर आ रही है कि सीबीआई ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है गिरिबाला सिंह को।
ये बहुत बड़ी जीत है। एक न्याय प्रक्रिया में जो एक संदेश जा रहा है कि एक पॉजिटिव संदेश जा रहा है, कानून से ऊपर कोई भी नहीं है, और ये एक बहुत अच्छा मैसेज है। मेरा थैंक्स सभी मीडिया कर्मियों का, सभी लोगों का जिन्होंने हमारा सहयोग किया इस लड़ाई में, और आगे भी ये संघर्ष जारी है। मेरा बहुत बहुत सभी को कोटि कोटि नमन।
मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगी नवनिधि जी, क्योंकि अभी ये गिरफ्तारी हो गई जिसकी मांग आप लोग कर रहे थे। आपका ये कहना था कि ये इन्फ्लुएंशियल लोग हैं, वो फॉर्मर जज रह चुकी हैं, उनका बेटा समर्थ लॉयर है, तो इसीलिए वो जानते हैं जुडिशियल प्रोसेस पूरा। पहली बार आप लोगों को कब शक हुआ, क्यों आपको लगा कि ये मैनिपुलेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं सिस्टम को?
पहले दिन से ही आप देखिए ना, हमने एफआईआर के लिए हमने कितना तरसे, जगह जगह भटके हम लोग। पीएम रिपोर्ट्स को लेकर के जो है शंका पहले दिन से ही हो गई थी। जब पीएम रिपोर्ट सामने आई और हमने बॉडी को सामने देखा, हमने PM2 की डिमांड थी, बॉडी को लेने के लिए बार बार प्रेशराइज किया जा रहा था हमको। तमाम दिक्कतों के बाद में, आप लोगों के सहयोग के बाद में हमारी स्वतंत्र जांच की मांग को माना गया, जो स्वयं संज्ञान लिया माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने, माननीय चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया ने। ये एक बहुत जो है हमारे लिए कुछ बहुत ज्यादा स्वागत योग्य कदम है, और आज उसका परिणाम आ रहा है। हमें भरोसा है अपनी एजेंसीज पे, हमें भरोसा कायम हुआ है न्याय व्यवस्था में, और इसी के कारण तो हम चाह रहे थे कि हमें स्वतंत्र जांच की मांग कर रहे थे, जिसको हमारा पूरा किया है संज्ञान में लेते हुए। हम बहुत खुश हैं इस बात से। जी, क्या अब आपको उम्मीद है कि न्याय होगा? सीबीआई क्योंकि इन्वॉल्व हो गई है, गिरफ्तारी हो गई है। हमें गर्व है अपनी एजेंसी पर। हम फक्र करते हैं कि उन्होंने पहले भी ऐसे केसेस काफी क्रैकडाउन किए हैं, और ये इस केस में भी एक नजीर बन के, एग्जाम्पल बन के सेट करेंगे। और ऐसी उम्मीद है कि ये जैसा बेटी का नाम है त्विषा, आज इस केस जो है पूरा नाम उसका रिफ्लेक्ट करता है कि भोर की पहली किरण। तो भोर की पहली किरण है, ये सब जगह प्रकाशमान करेगी। जहां भी अंधकार छाया हुआ सिस्टम में, इंस्टीट्यूशंस में, उसको ये क्लियर करेगी, और एक ये एग्जाम्पल क्रिएट होगा सारी जनता के लिए। आज ये बहुत चिंता का विषय है डाउरी डेथ, और इसका रेट भी बहुत ज्यादा है भारतवर्ष में। और इस पर्टिकुलर केस के बाद में मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को न्याय में उम्मीद बढ़ जाएगी। आप कह रहे हैं न्याय की उम्मीद बढ़ जाएगी इसके बाद। मैं आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहती हूँ कि शुरुआत में जब स्टेटमेंट्स आ रहे थे गिरिबाला सिंह की तरफ से, त्विषा की पर्सनल लाइफ को, उनके कैरेक्टर को पब्लिक डोमेन में जिस तरह से उन्होंने उछालने की कोशिश की अपने स्टेटमेंट्स के जरिए, आप लोगों से जब ये चीजें खराब नहीं हुई थी और बातचीत होती थी, कभी आप लोगों को ऐसा लगा एवर कि इनका थॉट प्रोसेस ऐसा, इनकी सोच ऐसी? क्योंकि ऑब्जर्वेशंस में भी ये बात सामने आई है कि केवल आरोप जो है वो पति के खिलाफ नहीं है, गिरिबाला सिंह का नाम भी उन चैट्स में कई बार आया है। जी, ऐसा है कि हम बस निकलने वाले थे और ये दुर्घटना घट गई, टिकट कैंसिल हुई, सारा बात हमने ये पक्ष अपना रखा हुआ है ऑलरेडी, और हमें अब जो है हमारे कहने लायक कुछ रह नहीं गया। हमने सारी बातें मीडिया के द्वारा पहले ही कह दी गई हैं। अभी क्या है कि ये अब हमारा काम है कि भरोसा करना, जो और माननीय सीजीआई ने जो हमें निर्देशित किया है कि हम कम से कम टिप्पणी करें किसी चीज पर, तो हम उसको एज ए सभ्य नागरिक हम उसका मान करते हैं और उसकी गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करते हैं। जी, नवनिधि शर्मा जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। That was Twisha's father. Now we now have hope that justice done. Navnidhi Sharma, they're welcoming the development that Giribala Singh has been now placed under arrest by the CBI. Thank you very much, Mr. Sharma, for speaking with us. Let's go back to our reporters. Let's see if we have Priyank on the line with us. Priyank, what next? Will Giribala be taken for medical examination? What is going to happen from here on?
See, Swati, what it appears that the CBI will attempt to produce her before the court tomorrow itself, because the Central Bureau of Investigation still has 24 hours of time period before they can produce the accused, Giribala Singh, the former judge in this particular case, before the concerned court. As our colleagues have been pointing out that the CBI has arrested the case under Section 80/2, which is punishment of dowry death, Section 85 of the BNS, which is penalizing cruelty inflicting on the married woman by husband or her relative, Section 3/5, which is of joint criminal liability, and other relevant sections of the Dowry Act. Samarth Singh's police remand, Swati, is ending tomorrow, and Giribala Singh, who has been arrested before the sunset, is also a process which has been followed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. If they actually wanted, they could have gone ahead with the arrest of the accused, but since the Apex Court has also given clear-cut indication for those arrests of women who are, and suspect in the particular case should not happen post-sunset, that process was also followed. So it's quite clear that since the CBI is looking into the matter as the accused herself is a judicial officer and had a very long tenure in the judiciary, that's why every possible step is being taken by the Central Bureau of Investigation. To the best of my information, it is quite possible that Giribala's medical will be conducted at AIIMS Bhopal, and then the Giribala Singh will be taken to the CBI's camp office, which is here in Bhopal, and later to that the CBI will try to produce her before the court tomorrow itself, because as it is, they have to take the accused Samarth, who's the key accused in this case, before the court tomorrow. So it will be best for the Central Bureau of Investigation to produce both the accused there itself. There have been big barricades which have been placed here by the local police. As you can see, this area has been barricaded, although media was allowed to go till the gate till few hours back. But looking at the kind of seriousness and the behavior of this particular crime is concerned, the CBI has made it sure that the accused will be produced before the court tomorrow itself, and the medical legal certificate will be acquired from the concerned court. So looking at this kind of arrangement, it's in a short while from now, Giribala will be taken.
Stay with the live visuals, please. Be with us on the broadcast. I just want to very quickly go across to Ava Singh, lawyer and activist. Your first reaction: this is what Twisha's family demanded after quashing the anticipatory bail of Giribala Singh. Now CBI has placed her under arrest.
Yeah, the CBI appeared in the court, and it also asked for her custody. Everybody said custodial interrogation is required, but what I feel is that Giribala spoke a little excess. Being a judge, she should have maintained the propriety of being a judge, but I think she went ahead and made personal remarks which turned the tide against her, because usually when anticipatory bail is given by a trial court, which in this case was given, you require very substantial reason to quash or set aside that anticipatory bail. So I think her coming to the television, speaking to the press, making nasty comments about the deceased girl,
But do you think it was only about? But do you believe it was only about Giribala Singh speaking out of turn, or her making statements in the media? Because the family points out how she was trying to get access to the footage of Twisha spending time at the salon, getting in touch with the staff members of the salon, trying to figure out what her mental state was. That was morning period, and not a normal person would never react in that manner. Twisha's family also, leveled allegations that that Giribala Singh had something to do in those last few hours. She got in touch with the CCTV people who installed that at her place. So, all of this gathering evidence at a time when normally an individual would be shocked, would still be able to, hold themselves together. A daughter-in-law has died, and you are going around gathering evidence.
Because the law is so strict, any death which takes place within 7 years of marriage, it is the girl's family, the boy's family, that is to prove their innocence. So it was, and there's 7 years of imprisonment. So you cannot say, because she was trying to save herself and take that evidence. And I think that the footage has been played by the media on so many channels. So which means that media also went and got that same footage from the beauty parlor. That aside, now the government, the CBI will have to really make a good case. Investigation is required in this, because proving dowry in a love marriage, meet through a dating app, is not easy. So you will have to give us bills, receipts to show that it was dowry, and also that the last 2 hours because the CCTV footage which she showed that she was on the lower floor and Trisha climbed up. All these things is not an easy thing for CBI. They will have to really work hard on it.
All right, Abha Singh, thank you very much for speaking with us. Let's take that question, in fact, across to Priyank, who is live with us from outside Giribala Singh's residence. She has been placed under arrest. Now, Abha Singh, they're asking questions, pertinent questions there. She's saying the CBI will have to actually come up with a watertight case to prove dowry in a love marriage and other points that she's making, basically to say that a watertight case against Giribala Singh is now CBI's job.
Yes, Swati, that's why best forensic evidence method is being used. Let me tell you to our viewers that in this particular time period, the CBI has used the 360-degree cameras, which has created a virtual environment. The moment these footages will be going to the lab, then after processing this, there will be a virtual tunnel kind of structure which will be created through the VI effect, and by which the CBI will be adding the evidences which is there in presence of them. The CBI will be certainly trying to add the telephonic conversation. It is not about conviction. It is not about that the suspect should be penalized the moment the matter is being taken up by investigating agency. Giribala Singh has been taken into custody so that the real fact in this case will come out. The family had made allegation. Prima facie CBI feels that she was part of tampering of the evidence. Prima facie CBI feels that the manner in which these evidences and the statement which has been recorded by the Central Bureau of Investigation, there is a clear-cut indication that she should also be held accountable for these kind of act which led to the circumstances under which Trisha Sharma had died. It is up to the court to decide that whether the conviction will happen in this case or not, Swati. It is the initial stage, but the manner in which mother-in-law was trying to character assassinate her former late daughter-in-law has raised this kind of question about her. The mother-in-law, who was a judicial officer, instead of being in a mourning state, was gathering these evidences so that she can get an anticipatory bail from the court. That has been raising question. A mother-in-law who has been talking about that how Trisha was not giving water to the plants was raising question on her. A mother-in-law who was talking about that how she should not take the plates from the dining table while the daughter-in-law body was lying in the mortuary has been raising question on her, and all these circumstances has raised out. That's why the CBI has been given the chance to investigate the case. I'm sure they will come to the logical conclusion.
Absolutely.
And if at all she is guilty, she should
the statements made by Giribala Singh actually tell us volumes about her mindset. But Trisha's family is not just focusing on the statements, her mindset. They're saying, and their allegation is that their daughter has been killed. So to come up with evidence to substantiate the charges that have been leveled, and of course, ultimately to get to know what really transpired in those last few hours before Trisha's death is extremely important. Priyank, for the moment, thank you very much for getting us the details. We're taking a very short break on the broadcast. A lot more lined up on the other side. Stay on with us.